Hi guys, welcome back. Right, here we go. I've got all the parts here blown apart here, as you can see. So I've already put the leatherette on this one because I needed to get the gauges in. And obviously, as you can see, the nice little Chevette sign badge off an actual Chevette I put on there. Just thought that adds a little bit of character. So yeah, so that one's done. What I'm going to do next, obviously, is, as you can see, all the screw holes and everything in there. Obviously, we can't have them because obviously when the leatherette's on there, we're not going to be screwing through there. So they all need filling so we can get the leather on. And then I'll be using just some of these blocks to put it all back, to assemble it all back together. So right, so next, let's get all these holes filled and then we can get some leatherette on. Just had a thought. Before I start putting the leatherette on it, I thought I'd better mock it back together and actually test fit it in the car. But obviously here it is mocked up now, actually together with in the wood. As you can see, there you go. Holes for pipes, those are for the vents for the fan. So you can get an idea of what it's going to look like. Right, so what I'll do is I'll quickly do a mock-up now, put it in the car. Let's see if it fits. Back in a minute. Right guys, just doing a quick another test fit of it at the second in. I think that's going to look okay. I think later on I will do some sort of skirt to come down here to fill it so it all looks nice and flush in there, but that can be added. I may even add something extra around here, but that'll be for another project. Obviously this is mainly so we can get a heater in Oddy, and yeah, so right, I'll pull that out and take it all apart again and start getting the leatherette on the rest of it. Well, there we go guys. As you can see, yeah, it's dark out there, but I've managed to get it finished apart from whenever tidying up once it's actually installed in the car. But there you go. The pipes or the wiring for everything there. Yeah, so that's it for the end of this one on part 3. Part 4 now, hopefully. We'll be actually installing this into the car. And as I said earlier, there's more I can add to the console to make it integrate into the car a little bit nicer. But that, we can add those later on. As I say, this was just literally so we got somewhere to house the heater. And I think, yes, I think it's turned out okay. I'm no upholsterer, but there you go. So yes, please, if you've enjoyed this one, please like, share, and please definitely subscribe. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.